Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add overlays in Figma. This is a really useful technique for creating interactive prototypes, especially when you want to show pop-ups, modal windows, or any kind of overlay effect that appears on top of your existing content. Let's start by opening your Figma application. Once you're in, go ahead and open the file or project where you want to add these overlays. This could be any design you're currently working on or a new project you've set up specifically for this purpose. For this tutorial, I have a sample frame already prepared on my canvas. Click on that frame to select it. Now here's a quick way to duplicate it. Hold down the Alt key on your keyboard, and while holding it, click and drag the frame to the right side of your canvas. This creates an exact copy of your original frame, which we'll use as the overlay destination. Next, we need to create the overlay effect itself. Look down at the bottom of your screen and click on the rectangle icon from the toolbar. Once selected, drag the rectangle so that it matches the exact size of your frame. This rectangle will serve as the semi-transparent background that makes the overlay effect visible. Now let's style that rectangle to give it that classic overlay look. On the right side panel, you'll see the fill section with a color picker. Click on it and change the color to black, then adjust the opacity to 50%. This creates that subtle darkened background effect you typically see with overlays, where the underlying content is still slightly visible but dimmed. With our overlay background ready, click the rectangle icon again and drag it onto your frame. This is where you'll place your actual overlay content. To make it more realistic, let's add some text to this rectangle. You can add any content you like here, such as a message, form, or call to action, depending on what your overlay is meant to display. Now comes the interactive part. On the right side panel, click on the Prototype tab. This is where we'll set up the interaction that triggers the overlay. On your first frame, locate the button element and connect it to the second frame by clicking and dragging the connection point. Make sure the interaction trigger is set to on-click. This tells Figma that when someone clicks this button, it should display the overlay frame. Time to test it out. Click the play button on the top right side of your screen. This launches the prototype preview mode where you can interact with your design as if it were a real app or website. Go ahead and click the button you connected earlier and you should see the overlay appear smoothly over your original frame. And that's it. You've successfully created an interactive overlay in Figma. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.